just won't sing for you. 'Cause all that's left is gone away, and there's nothing there for you to prove. Oh, look what you've done. You've made a fool of everyone. Oh, well, it seems like such fun until you lose what you have won. Ooh. Give me back my point of view, 'cause I just can't think for you. And I can hardly hear you say, what should I do?